Review video on Biotic BioBringoras therapeutic oil for falling hair.
Hello, friends. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today, I will do a review video on this Biotic Advanced Ayurveda BioBringoras therapeutic oil for falling hair. So, welcome back to my channel Rimjim Blog Stories. Guys, recently I am facing hair loss problem. It is normal to lose some hair every day, but hair falls rapidly in this rainy season due to high humidity and acidic rainwater, which we take during the bath, which makes our hair very dry and brittle. People who are facing dandruff issue for a long time might be advised by the doctor not to give any oil on scalp because it can create excess dandruff. People who are facing hair loss or dandruff issue might be advised by the doctors not to use oil on their scalp. But personally, I think if I don't give oil or massage with any solution, how will my hair get sufficient nutrients to grow? Right, for that reason it's my personal opinion. People who like to oil and massage with oil, please check out this video. I will definitely give you a suggestion that always keep your scalp dry. Those who are having enough dandruff on their scalp, and those who are having a normal scalp, they can use oil on a regular basis to reduce their hair fall. But if you take this oiling once a week or whenever your scalp gets dry, it will be helpful. It's my personal opinion. You don't have to follow my opinion, but if you want, you can give this oil once or twice a week. Now I will be giving this review. This hair oil comes on this kind of packaging. Like, this is a very lightweight cardboard packaging. Okay, and the writing says that it's a therapeutic oil for falling hair, and it's an intensive hair regrowth treatment which is 100% Ayurvedic. Now the price of this hair oil is 159, and I got this for 150 rupees from the shop. Okay, now it contains Bringoraj plant, amla fruit, tesu flower, mulethi stem, brahmi plant, cow milk, and goat milk. It's a total herbal product. It's not a cosmetic product. And those who don't know about Biotic, it's 100% trusted product. This is the bottle. This is the 100 ml bottle. You can see the net volume is 100 ml, and you can get it from online also. That is the website www.biotic.com. It's the original website. It has a TikTok opening cap. It's very hardy. This Vringoraj has antimicrobial and antifungal properties that can also reduce dandruff. This oil has anti-inflammatory properties which can also help to reduce psoriasis and other skin irritations on your scalp. Amla, it has all amla which also helps in reducing the flakiness from your scalp, and it also keeps your hair healthy. The oil contains molality that effectively increases blood circulation in the scalp and hair follicles, which in turn enriches the roots by bringing in more nutrients through the blood supply and help in new hair growth. Amla helps in hair growth and it acts as a antibacterial and antifungal which helps in anti-graying. We all know that Bhringraj is a magical herb and it works wonderfully for hair growth, and we get a thick and lustrous and healthy hair. This Bhringraj is a miraculous herb hailing from the sunflower family. The leaves of Bhringraj tree are used to prepare Bhringraj oil, the most beneficial oil for hair growth. So, friends, this oil has special significance in Ayurveda and medical science. Enriched with the goodness of nature, Bhringraj oil is rich in nutrients such as iron, vitamin E, magnesium, polypeptides, steroids, calcium, and vitamin D. So it's a multivitamin oil, you can say, which is beneficial for your hair. If this video was useful to you, please subscribe my channel and give a like on this video. Bhringraj, the king of all herbs when it comes to hair fall treatment. It treats baldness and helps in hair regrowth. When used in correct proportion, it also prevents hair from falling. It promotes hair growth and prevents graying of hair. It's a magical nutrient for your hair. This Bhringraj oil has a higher specific gravity as compared to other oils. For this reason, it can penetrate deep into your scalp and treat dryness. So people with dry and flaky scalp can comfortably use this Bhringraj oil. You can also apply this Bhringraj oil with some other essential oils like tea tree oil or lavender oil to get extra benefits. It also provides relief from itchiness and greasiness caused by dandruff. Regular massage with Bhringraj oil improves blood circulation. When nutrients present in the oil reach the root of the hair, they strengthen the hair follicles and prevent baldness. So, don't worry guys. Now, this is a very good oil which you are getting at such a lower rate with so much benefits. If this video was useful to you, please subscribe my channel and give a like on this video.